Hey folks, welcome to the kitchen. We're still in blackberry season and my son came up with a wonderful idea for dessert. We have made peach dumplings using the crescent rolls. While we were picking berries the other day, he said, "Hey, I wonder what this would taste like if you put blackberries in the place of peaches." I said, "Oh my goodness, I don't know. Let's find out." So today, we're going to find out. So I cannot wait to taste this. Okay, I have a 9x13 pan. Okay, I'm just going to butter the pan. Now, if you wanted to use nonstick spray, you probably could. But I'm just going to put the butter in there because everything's better with butter, right? Okay, I have melted butter. Folks, I'll give you the amounts in the description box, so don't worry about trying to figure it out. Okay, I have sugar. I probably should have used a bigger container, but I didn't. Okay, let's stir this up. Do you guys like desserts? What is your favorite dessert? I have so many, I have no idea. But something that I can make fresh with something that came off of my property, I like that. I like the idea of being self-sufficient, self-reliant, and growing my own. Okay, I have the sugar stirred up into the butter, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon or so of vanilla. Okay, I'm going to mix that up little bit, and then we're going to set it aside while we work on the rest of it. Okay, I have some crescent rolls, whatever flavor and variety you like, it doesn't matter. Those happen to be Butterflake from Pillsbury. I'm not sure exactly how many berries that we're going to use here. So, I have a few extra washed. They don't go to waste around here, trust me. Okay, let's set this aside. Okay. Folks, I've only washed my hands a million times today. So, I'm using my hands when I cook to grab the berries. Okay. That looks like a pretty good little pile of berries. What do you think? So I'm just going to roll this up. I'm going to seal it up so they'll stay in there. I'm going to lay it in the pan. And this crescent roll dough, it's perforated so it tears pretty easily. So, just get another handful, pile it on here, roll it up, and sometimes it comes apart like that. This has been sitting out at room temperature for a few minutes, so it's much better if you do it cold. Lesson learned, folks. Learn from my mistakes. Okay, so you guys get the idea. So let me go ahead and get all the rest of this rolled up, then I'll show you what I'm doing next. Alrighty, we've got the last crescent roll coming together right here. I roll them, then I kind of mash the edges together, and then I roll it on up. Okay. Folks, did you notice how pretty these berries were? Okay. This is a mixture of blackberries, wild black raspberries, and these are a wineberry. These are growing wild on our farm. So that's what's going in the crescent rolls. Just wanted to let you know exactly what it was. Okay. So we're going to pour our butter mixture over top of our crescent rolls. Now folks, if you've not had this type of a dumpling before, you just don't know what you're missing. Is it a sugar bomb? You bet it is. It really is, but it's so good. This butter and sugar is going to kind of caramelize and make a crunchy topping on top of these crescent rolls. Cinnamon, cinnamon, where'd my cinnamon go? Oh. We're going to sprinkle a dash of cinnamon over top of them. Okay. And folks, you can use, the recipe calls for a can of soda. You can either use Sprite or Mountain Dew. Well, I don't have either one of them. I have Starry, which is very, very similar to Sprite. Okay, it calls for a can, which is 12 ounces. This is 16 ounces. So let's just pour about 3/4 of it in here, and that'll make everything all right. All right, I think that's good right there. So we're going to put this in the oven, and we're going to bake it. And guys, you are going to wish you were here when this comes out of the oven. Whew, got my glasses steamed up again. Now, what do you think about that, guys? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's pick this one. See all that blackberry coming out of there? What do you think, guys? Mixed berry dumplings. So, hope you like the video. Like, subscribe, and share. And give me a comment. Do you think this will be good? I know it's going to be good. Thanks a bunch, and we'll see you on that next video.